I usually get my head buzz cutted once a year. It's just about that time, so I haven't had a haircut in 5 years. Yay, me! Anyway, this presentation tops the rooftop unit air system maintenance. Check for accumulation on filters, clean or replaced as required. Check air filter housing integrity. Check UV lamp, clean or replace as required. Check control system and devices for proper operation. Repair or replace as required. Check P-trap. Prime as needed for the rooftop air conditioning unit. Check operation of variable speed frequency drive. Check fan belt tension. Adjust as necessary, replace if required. Check operation of cooling and or heating coil. Adjust fins as required. Check control box for dirt, debris, and other loose terminations. Clean and tighten as required. Check motor contactor for pitting or other signs of damage. Repair or replace as required. Check refrigerant systems pressures or temperatures. Adjust or repair as required. Check drive alignment, wear, seating, and operation. Repair or replace as required. Check integrity of all panels on equipment. Replace fasteners as needed to ensure proper integrity and fit of equipment. Lubricate field serviceable bearings. Check for evidence of buildup or fouling on heat exchanger surfaces. Clean as required. Check drain pan, drain line, and coil for biological growth. Clean as needed. Check evaporator coil fins. Restore if required. Inspect for evidence of moisture carryover beyond the drain pan from the cooling coil. Repair as required. Check for proper damper operation. Repair as required. Inspect air-cooled condenser surfaces. Clean as required. Check for low ambient head pressure control sequence for proper operation. Repair or replace components as required. Check for excessive scale or debris on condenser surfaces. Clean as required. Check combustion chamber, burner and flue for deterioration, leaks, moisture problems, condensation, and combustion products. Clean, test, and adjust combustion process for proper operation. Visually inspect areas of moisture accumulation for biological growth. If present, clean or disinfect. Check condensate pump. Clean or repair as required. I hope these suggestions help you in your maintenance of your rooftop units. Take care now. Bye.